Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today, I would like to give you a review of this Chanel style suit. It consists of a skirt and a jacket with a patch pockets. The jacket is decorated with a nice French buttons. The suit is made of the Chanel style fabric. There are also sleeve buttons here. First, I'll show you the garments this way, and then I'll put them on the table to show everything in detail. The jacket is buttoned. It has 2 pockets and set-in sleeves. I'll show you the sleeve top in detail. We've also made this vest. The skirt can be combined both with the jacket and the vest. The vest is double-breasted, with a big collar and lapels. The armhole is pretty wide. The lines are very smooth and nice. There are small shoulder pads in between the shoulders and the lining. Due to this fact, the shoulders are of a perfect shape. Have a close look at the garments this way, and then I'll put them on the table to show them to you in detail. The suit is very convenient. You can choose whether to put on a jacket or a vest. The jacket is not always comfortable, especially when it's hot. You can always put on the vest. I've shown you several videos about the vests. I've shown you how to make a satin collar. Watch the previous videos if you haven't done it yet. This is a one-piece label. So collars can be both one-piece and set in. You can make them of any shape you like. Shawl collars, stand collars, anything. It's all up to you. We have a lot of videos about different types of collars. Watch them carefully and attentively, and you will learn how to make different collars. We're working on a course on how to sew a Chanel style jacket. In the course, we will show you how to work with such fabrics in detail. Are you waiting for the course? Have a close look at the texture. When you look at the fabric, it's not clear how a garment would look like. This suit looks very nice. It's sewn perfectly. I'll show you everything in detail. I want to talk to you about the shoulder pads in the vest. Have a close look at the jacket. There are some things I want to pay attention to, like these corners. Notice that the facing doesn't pull the button stand. We used a special technique for stitching. Another important details are the shoulders. Have a close look here. This line should be straight. The style of this jacket depends on the armhole line. In some jackets you can see rounded armholes, as if they're made right according to the basic patterns. It's not right. These lines have to be straight. It's very important. This is one of the features of the jackets. The neckline should also be very beautiful. The pockets are lined. Have a look at them. There is no slit in the sleeve, only the sleeve buttons. The lining in the sleeves is not visible, because it's stitched accurately. It's a delicate work. The lining of the jacket is pretty loose. It doesn't pull the main fabric. There is a pleat on the bottom. Have a close look at the lining from the wrong side. Very nice. I can move the jacket aside. Let's have a look at the vest. As I've said, the lapel is one piece. The collar is set in. Have a close look at this corner. If you make the seam round, this part won't be strong enough. When the vest is buttoned, the center front of the right and the left side should match. There are 4 buttons on the face and an additional button inside, which holds the left side and prevents it from sagging. Have a close look at the details. Here's the hidden button. This is a very useful technique. The most unusual thing is the shoulder pad. Have a look at the shape of the shoulders. The vest looks solid thanks to the pads. The small pads are stitched in between the lining and the shoulder. It makes the shoulder very beautiful. The shoulders are very beautiful. We've decided not to make the pockets in the vest, because it has a big collar and lapels. It is double-breasted with the 4 buttons on the front. The skirt is simple. There is a vent, a zipper and a button. Have a close look at the waistband. It's edged with a bias binding. Have a close look at the details. The vent is edged with the lining. Have a close look at the waistband. This is a very useful technique. We always use it. We never edge waistbands with lining. It's better to edge waistbands with a bias binding. It makes the waistband stronger. And the skirts look very beautiful. I was happy to show you these 3-piece suit: the skirt, the jacket and the vest. The fabric is absolutely gorgeous. Garments made of it look very nice. This is a Chanel style fabric. The fabric is pretty strong. I can hardly tear it apart, unlike the usual Chanel style fabric. It's very solid. I love the suit. It's very stylish. Chanel style garments are never out of style. They are very special. I'm preparing a new video for you. I want to talk to you about Chanel style jackets. The video is going to be very interesting and inspiring. Please be creative. Try sewing various garments. Let's be different and beautiful every day together. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.